Have you ever pondered whether your body may be attempting to communicate anything peculiar and unforeseen? What specifically? What if the minor idiosyncrasies you have been disregarding are actually discreet pleas for assistance from one of your most essential organs? Today, we will explore the enigmas surrounding liver well-being. Allow me to inquire, is it possible that your liver is attempting to communicate with you? Stay with us as we explore 8 unnoticed indications that may cause you to reassess all you believed about your body. Without delay, let us proceed to the initial indication: pruritus without any visible skin lesions. Have you ever encountered pruritus without any visible dermatological manifestations or insect stings? It is possible that the cause of your skin condition is not limited to dryness, but rather an indication of your liver's need for attention. If the liver is experiencing difficulties, it can result in the accumulation of bile salts in the bloodstream, leading to itching without any apparent manifestations on the skin. Were you aware that certain liver illnesses, such as primary biliary cirrhosis, can manifest with intense pruritus? Is it one of the initial conspicuous symptoms? Please refrain from scratching that area as it is causing an itching sensation. Make a record and conduct a thorough examination of any abnormal alterations in body scent. Each individual possesses a distinct and exclusive scent, but if you detect an abrupt alteration in body odor that cannot be attributed to cleanliness or nutrition, it is possible that your liver is implicated. Hepatic dysfunction can result in the accumulation of toxins in the body, which can present as a unique, frequently unpleasant smell. Trimethylaminuria, commonly known as fishy odor syndrome, is a disorder that arises when the liver fails to metabolize specific chemicals, resulting in the emission of a potent fishy smell. Remain vigilant for any odd smells. It is possible that your liver is communicating with you. Chronic halitosis. Halitosis is always unpleasant, but if it appears that no matter how much you brush or use mouthwash, your liver may be the underlying cause. Fetor hepaticus is a peculiar musty odor in the breath that can be caused by liver illness. Fetor hepaticus, a condition associated with severe liver disease, is characterized by a distinct odor that is commonly described as sweet and fecal. Do not allow chronic halitosis to continue. Identify the fundamental cause of the problem and confront it directly. Red palms. Please take a moment to carefully observe the palms of your hands. Do they appear more crimson than their typical coloration? Palmar erythema, a manifestation of liver dysfunction, is characterized by a reddening of the palms and might serve as a discreet yet indicative symptom. Excessive amounts of estrogen in the bloodstream, commonly observed in liver illness, can expand the blood vessels in the hands and result in this characteristic redness. Palmar erythema can be linked to other illnesses such as rheumatoid arthritis and pregnancy. However, if accompanied by additional symptoms connected to the liver, it is advisable to do further investigation. Pay attention to this visual cue. Your hands may be attempting to convey a significant message. Hyperhidrosis, particularly nocturnal hyperhidrosis, enhances the quality of sleep. However, if you awaken with excessive perspiration, it is possible that your liver is contributing to this phenomenon. Hepatic dysfunction can interfere with hormone control, resulting in nocturnal hyperhidrosis and diurnal excessive sweating. Were you aware of this fact? Nocturnal hyperhidrosis is frequently more intense in hepatic conditions, such as hepatitis C and liver cancer, and it can serve as an early discernible indication of an underlying pathology. Be mindful of your body's thermoregulation. It has the potential to serve as an indication of your liver's well-being. Lipid malabsorption. Do you enjoy consuming fatty burgers or rich desserts? If your body begins to exhibit adverse reactions to fatty foods, it may be prudent to evaluate the condition of your liver. Liver dysfunction can hinder the synthesis of bile, which is crucial for the digestion of lipids. Gallstones, hardened deposits in the gallbladder, are frequently found in people with liver disease and can cause problems in digesting fatty foods. If you encounter bloating, nausea, or diarrhea subsequent to consuming fatty foods, it is possible that your liver is facing difficulties in maintaining its normal functioning. Pay attention to the signals from your digestive system. It possesses the ability to discern when anything is amiss. Edema in the lower extremities. Have you been experiencing swelling in your legs and ankles recently? Edema, a condition characterized by fluid retention, might indicate liver disease. When the liver is incapable of adequately metabolizing fluids, it can result in the accumulation of fluids in the lower extremities, causing swelling and discomfort. Were you aware that edema can also serve as an indication of heart or kidney issues? However, when accompanied by additional symptoms connected to the liver, it is crucial to conduct further investigation. Do not disregard this symptom as simple bloating. Your liver may be experiencing heightened sensitivity to drugs and alcohol, potentially indicating stress. Do you experience heightened sensitivity to the effects of drugs or alcohol? Your liver may be experiencing difficulty in metabolizing certain substances. Liver disease can hinder the liver's capacity to metabolize poisons, resulting in increased susceptibility to even minimal amounts of medication or alcohol. It is worth noting that specific liver illnesses, such as alcoholic liver disease and hepatitis, might increase an individual's vulnerability to liver damage even with moderate alcohol intake. If you observe this increased sensitivity, it is advisable to examine your liver health more closely. What actions can we take to address this issue? After examining these 8 unusual indicators, you may be curious about the actions you may take to promote the well-being of your liver. Although these indicators may be worrisome, it is important to note that they do not necessarily indicate irreparable damage to your liver. The liver's tenacity is extraordinary, and with proper care, it can frequently recover from substantial problems. One of the most influential measures you can adopt is to implement uncomplicated modifications to your lifestyle that prioritize the well-being of your liver. This entails embracing a diet that is both well-rounded and nourishing. Abundant in fruits, vegetables, healthy grains, and lean meats. These foods contain vital nutrients and antioxidants that promote liver function and safeguard against harm. In addition, decreasing your consumption of processed foods, saturated fats, and added sugars can alleviate the strain on your liver and enhance your general health. Maintaining adequate hydration is essential for preserving liver health. Water aids in the elimination of toxins from the body and promotes optimal liver function. Strive to consume ample amounts of water throughout the day and restrict your intake of sugary drinks and alcohol, as these can exert pressure on the liver and lead to long-term harm. When it comes to alcohol, it is crucial to be conscientious of how much you consume. Consuming an excessive amount of alcohol is a primary factor that contributes to liver damage, and it can result in severe illnesses such as alcoholic liver disease and cirrhosis. If you opt to consume alcoholic beverages, it is advisable to do so in moderation and contemplate incorporating alcohol-free days into your routine to provide your liver some respite. Furthermore, it is crucial to pay attention to your body's signals and actively seek assistance. If you encounter any of the symptoms we previously addressed, do not hesitate to contact a healthcare expert for advice and assistance. They have the ability to offer tailored suggestions, conduct essential examinations, and assist you in formulating a strategy to safeguard and promote the well-being of your liver. Keep in mind that your liver is a robust organ with the ability to undergo impressive regeneration. To enhance liver health and maintain good bodily function in the long term, it is crucial to implement straightforward yet significant modifications to your lifestyle and promptly seek medical assistance when necessary. Thus, that concludes the matter, ladies and gentlemen. Here are 8 commonly disregarded indications that your liver may be attempting to communicate a message. Pay attention to these small cues from your body. By cultivating mindfulness and taking proactive measures, you may ensure the long-term well-being and vitality of your liver. If you found this video to be educational, make sure to share it with others and enable them to assume responsibility for their liver health. If you have any other information to provide, please feel free to share it in the comments section below. If you are new to this platform, Please remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell in order to receive updates on our most recent videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, remain well informed and maintain good health.